Chalo, this is the first vlog. I can see myself in the camera. Let's go. Yo, this mic is on. This camera is on. This is my first vlog. मोड़ लेता हूँ है ना. आ जाओ भाई. डन. चलो भाई, वी आर ऑन द रोड. लेट्स सी आवाज़ कैसी आती है. Okay, this is cool. Wow, bro, wow. This is good. So this is the first vlog with DJI Action 5 Pro, and this is me testing it out in Rishikesh at night. Wanted to create more vlogs with my bike, or I should say more videos with my bike. So here it is. I've actually not bought it, but it is of my friends. So he was kind enough to lend it to me. So I am currently using this as my camera to record some of the Yap content, and this is first piece of Yap content that I'm creating. I don't know how the angle is looking, how the overall footage is looking. I'm shooting it in 10-bit log M, I don't know. But let's see how that comes out to be.
ये मेन रोड है ना?
ये मेन रोड है हाँ. So Rishikesh is packed these days, man. Rishikesh is packed. And I am here unpacking my thoughts in Rishikesh while riding the bike. Ooh, wow. But DJI is a really great company, bro. Bro, dumb guys. Damn. So, okay, this is a very random thing, but I actually said it to myself that I will buy an action camera when I'll go to Rishikesh, or whenever I'll temporarily move out to Rishikesh. The reason is I have to basically record more of my rides and create Instagram content, create YouTube content. And I was planning to buy it, but I was not confident if I should buy it right now, if I'll be using it a lot or not. So see man, Rishikesh is fully packed these days. People are just coming here. Anyways, like, it is fully packed right now. So this guy just bumped into his side mirror. So I actually said it to myself that I will be buying a camera, but I just got it. I mean, I didn't have to buy it, man. Universe works in very random ways. I wanted to try it out first, and here I am trying it and having a DJI Action 5 with DJI Mic Mini. Surprisingly, one of my friends has DJI Mic Mini, and other friend has DJI Osmo, and I wanted to record some content before leaving Rishikesh. Oh, this doggo. So I wanted to record some good bike content before leaving Rishikesh, which I am recording right now, and I have not bought DJI mic or DJI Action Cam yet. Pretty surprising. It's pretty surprising, man. I mean, I don't know how much of you will relate to this, or how many of you will relate to this, or how many of you believe in spirituality or something like that. But I believe in this. I believe in this in a way where if you just say things out to the universe, if you want to make something work, universe gives it to you. It's not like you just have to sit and do nothing and then universe will give it to you. You'll of course have to do the work, and universe will give it to you. I mean, it's very strange, but it works, man. And I'm breaking a rule here. Pardon me, guys. Pardon me for that. So yeah, I mean, this is how I bought this is how I got DJI Action Cam 5 without buying it. So this is how I got DJI Action Cam without buying it. So this is how I got DJI Action 5 Pro without buying it. Wow. Well, I trust universe with everything, and only thing that we can do is do the work that is required and let the universe do its job. And I love Himalayan, man. It's so smooth in these bumps. Love it, man. Love it. Oh, damn, bro. Damn, bro. These people overtaking from anywhere, bro. Doesn't even give a shit about the second lane. Well, I'm also a culprit sometimes, so I cannot blame them. Is it recording? I'll have to. Oh, it's recording right now. भाई ये अब रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है।
तो तब से रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ?
ना
क्यों?
मैंने ऑन नहीं किया था। This is what happens when you don't know how to operate a camera for the first time.
आधी बात तो रही गई।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, फिर से कर लेंगे, आगे चलेंगे। अबे ये क्या जाम है बे? भाई ये क्या ट्रैफिक है? चलो पीछे चलते हैं। I'm not bearing with this shit भाई। आगे से भी चलेंगे तो फिर किधर से मोड़ेंगे यार? एक सेकंड, बैराज वाले रास्ते से जाया जा सकता है। Okay. Is it recording? It's recording. Okay. दूसरे वाले रास्ते से चलते हैं। आधा वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लिया, फिर रिकॉर्ड और ही नहीं हुआ भाई। मैंने पता है क्या किया था? यूजुअली मैं ये वाला ऑन करता हूँ, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम हमेशा इसकी आदत हो गई थी, तो मैंने फिर मेन वाला ऑन किया। तो मेन वाले ऑन करने से क्या होता है कि तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑन होगा बट रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन नहीं होगी। इस वाले से कैमरा भी ऑन हो जाता है, रिकॉर्डिंग भी ऑन हो जाती है। तो दैट्स द डिफरेंस। तो बस यही हुआ। चलो, इट्स गुड। जानकी झूला गए हो घूमने? हाँ, गए हो? चलो। हाँ, चलो जंगल वाले चलते हैं। चलो रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ भाई। So this is the first vlog with DJI Action 5 Pro and DJI mic. Whole DJI ecosystem, man. And fun fact is, I've not even bought it. Wow, crazy. I've not even bought it, man. So how did I got it? And this is my first vlog. I don't even know how it's looking like right now. I'm just recording it, and I'll definitely post this one because this is a good memory for me. I'll tell you why it's a good memory. So basically, I had this in my head that when I'll come to Rishikesh, oh my god, what is this Thar? So I had this memory, not just memory, what the fuck am I talking about? Not memory. I had this in my mind that whenever I'll come to Rishikesh, I will record some bike content and I'll probably buy a DJI cam and DJI mic. Now here's the fun part. One of my friends was kind enough to lend it to me, or I should say one of my friend's friend was kind enough to lend it to me, and the mic is not mine as well. It's my friend's mic that I'm using right now. And I don't know how many of you will relate to this and will agree on this, but I believe there is something higher power. I believe there is something called higher power. I mean, you have to trust that sometimes. I just put this thought out that I'll be coming to Rishikesh, and before leaving Rishikesh after a vacation, I will record some bike content for myself on YouTube and for Instagram. And I don't want to commit to buying DJI Action 4 or 5 right now because I've not tried it yet. So I wanted to try it first and see how the quality is coming out. And how strange, man. One of my friend's friend had the camera and I didn't even know him before this trip. Like literally I didn't even know him. And now he trusted me enough to lend me his camera. Man, this is some strange thing. So, like, I believe that this is not something random. When you, arey bro, what the hell are you trying to do, man? अरे bro, बीच में खड़ा हुआ चूतिया. So, yeah, I believe in something called high power. I believe in something called, I don't know what you name it, but something out there is helping us with the things which we cannot control, essentially. So, welcome to Janki Chula, guys, at night. And this is the scariest part. I don't like to go this fast on this because it's so narrow, man. I mean, sometimes I fear I might get stuck here. I mean, I trust my driving capabilities, but still, man, it's so narrow. They should have made it at least a little wider. Just a little wider. I'm not saying a lot. Just a little. Like this one. It is enough wide to pass this bike smoothly with some good speed. Anyways, so we are going to Jungle Wala Rasta. These people be parking anywhere, man. Welcome to Rishikesh at Night series, where I'll be yapping with my bike. So yeah, I mean, universe works in very strange ways, and this is where we. तो अच्छा इधर से नहीं है. Damn these guys. उतरना मोड़ता हूँ. हाँ पीछे से होगा. This is the best hack for Himalayan. Take a slope, pump the suspension there, and take advantage of the heavy weight that Himalayan has. Best thing. You don't have to feel the heavy weight of the Himalayan. Rather use some technique and mind. That's what I did right there, man. So yeah, get ready for some yap content. I wanted to feature more. I'll be featuring more of me riding with my bike and yapping about some 2 a.m. thoughts, because us artists love to stay awake at night and think about a lot of things at night. So why not do it together? Why not share those creative and random thoughts with the world? Right? Why not, man? Why not? So this is a new rasta where we'll be going, and this is beautiful, man. I mean, if you ever come to Rishikesh, come at this route. And there's a Litti Chokha guy here. I'll show you where he is. You should taste that Litti Chokha once. I'll probably post this video raw on my second channel, because this is my first ever vlog on the bike, man. I mean, who doesn't love their first thing, their first love, their first bike, first everything, man. I mean, I won't say first love. I mean, yeah, you can say first love, but I've forgotten about it. Very long story, don't ask me about that. But yeah, I would say first things are special, so this is a special thing for me. Oh, where is that Litti Chokha guy? Where is that guy, man? I want to show this. So much of people these days here. I think it should be here. Yeah, this is the Litti Chokha guy. You can come here and have your stomachs full with that Litti Chokha. And there is Ram Jhula, guys. This is Ram Jhula. And there we go. This is one of the most beautiful place to sit at. We used to sit here at night around 10, 12 to... It is beautiful here. There's also one place, Sai Ghat, but people tend to stay there a lot, and there's a lot of crowd there these days. So if you're a tourist, you can come here. Although I don't want people to invite to Rishikesh, there's already a lot of chaos here. People are just messing up with this holy place, and I don't like that. But whatever aside, people are not stopping. I'm not some CM or PM, so cannot do anything about it. So many Nandis here, so many Nandis. Oh, these guys. Sasyakal Paji. Oh, it's not Sasyakal, it's night. I don't know what they say to night in Punjabi. So I will just say Sasyakal. It is better. यहाँ पर आए हो तुम?
यहाँ पर
पैदल आए हो ना? रात में रुकना बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर है भाई. इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
शाम के टाइम जब बढ़िया लगता है एकदम.
हवा जब चलती है ना और बारिश में आओगे और सुंदर लगेगा भाई, और सुंदर लगेगा. क्या? हाँ, ये आश्रम वगैरह है यहाँ पे. पहले इतना ज़्यादा नहीं बना हुआ था. ये जो जगह है ना, ये इतनी नहीं बनी हुई थी. अब इतनी बना दी है इन लोगों ने. वो जो तुमको घाट दिखाई थी वो कितनी सुंदर थी वहाँ हर्षित के घर के पास, है ना? ब्रो, वो चीज़ टूरिस्ट को रिवील नहीं होनी चाहिए. और ना वो लोग वहाँ जाके ना वैसे भी बर्बादी करने वाले हैं वो लोग. अब वो बनेगा, वो बता रहा था, हवाई अड्डा बना देंगे भाई उसे. गजब ही लोग हैं यार. मैं सोच रहा हूँ एक सीरीज़ बना दूँ, ऋषिकेश एट नाइट, यैप इन ऋषिकेश एट नाइट। मैं बाइक लेके निकल जाऊँ,
हाँ
रात में ऋषिकेश घूमूँ और यैपिंग करता रहूँ, क्योंकि दिन में तो बहुत लोग घूमते हैं
दिन में तो बेकार है।
और दिन में केओस भी बहुत है। रात में सुंदर भी लगता है, एकदम शांत होता है, सिक्लूडेड होता है। रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है? अबे रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा,
बोलते
बंद हो गई। रिकॉर्ड तो हो रहा है, अभी तो हो रहा है, बट चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कहाँ पे बंद हो रहा है ये। yo guys, this is Rishikesh at night. I've been recording it and this camera stopped a few times. I don't know from what reason. I'll have to see why. So many people at night, man. It's almost 12:30. Why are there a lot of people? We cannot go there. It's recording, okay. I'll check it again and again now, if it's recording or not. इस वाले रास्ते पे आगे नहीं गए हो ना? ये रहा तुम्हारा गंगा व्यू कैफे।
हाँ
इस वाले रास्ते पे आगे नहीं गए हो ना?
थोड़े से गया यहाँ पे बस यहाँ पे
अच्छा,
जो
चलो।
मैंने वीडियो नहीं लगाई थी इसकी
हाँ 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 हाँ,
वहीं पर था।
चलो अभी तुम्हें ये पूरा रास्ता घुमा के लाता हूँ। So I'm planning to, I don't know, this is the second recording that I'm doing, guys. Pardon me if I'm repeating things again and again. But I want to do a series on Instagram. Gap at night with bike. So I think it will be good. Let's see. Will we encounter a ghost here? Will we? I don't think so, we will. Because this place has been not so dramatic.
यहीं तक आया था मैं।
अच्छा, अभी चलो आगे दिखाता हूँ तुमको। दिन में और सुंदर लगता है, और जिस दिन बारिश होगी ना,
हाँ
उस दिन तो और सुंदर लगेगा। भाई अंधेरा देख रहे हो? Bro, guys, we are in a jungle and we'll encounter some ghostly spirits, holy spirit here. Let's find these holy spirits and knock them down. Let's go. I love this road, man. I love this road, especially when it's not crowded. Damn, you just fall in love with riding when you feel roads like these. No Haryana, Delhi, Punjab car here. You on your own, riding with your thoughts, just chilling. Man, so beautiful, man. Phenomenal. I love my bike, man. I love my bike. Is it recording? It is recording. I'll not check it again and again if it's recording or not. One time I was here and there were a lot of monkeys. And
किधर तक जाता है
ये जाता है मेन रोड पे बद्रीनाथ वाला।
ये वाला
हाँ,
जो वो वाला है वो सेंचुरी वाला
हाँ वो वाला शिवपुरी वाला है। इधर से भी राफ्ट जाते हैं, बट क्या कहते हैं, उधर से मेन ज़्यादा जाते हैं लोग। I don't know how I get so many guts to ride bike at night in these roads. But I think It's good. I love mountains, man. I love mountains. है सुंदर? चांद देख रहे हो कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Every single town is beautiful. I've been to this place a lot of times, but every time it just makes me feel something, especially at night. So yeah, as I think I didn't finish it in the first time, but if I didn't finish it, then here it is. I don't know if you guys believe in universe or not, but I do, and it works in very strange ways, man. I mean, I wanted it at the start of May. I just wanted to try it. And here I am recording the content with my camera in Rishikesh, like in Rishikesh itself. Universe just brought me the people, the moments that it had to, and I just grabbed that opportunity, man. This is how I thought. So this is how I got my DJI Action 5 Pro. So this is how I got DJI Action 5 Pro without buying it. So this is how I got DJI Action 5 Pro without buying it. Damn, these lights, man, these lights. I'm taking the real test of this camera. Oh man, it's so dark here. Yeah, so this is how I got my... It's not mine, man. Why am I saying my? This is how I got DJI Action 5 Pro without buying it. So this is how I got DJI Action 5 Pro without buying it. It's recording, it's recording, it's recording. Trucks. There is a lot of truck movement at night. Damn. These lights hurt, man. वो जो पुल था, वो पुल क्रॉस करके ये जो रोड है, ये मेन बद्रीनाथ वाला रोड है. पीछे चले जाओगे तो तुम देवप्रयाग, बद्रीनाथ, रुद्रनाथ, हाँ इसी रास्ते से. इधर से पूरा केदारनाथ, बद्रीनाथ तुम घूम सकते हो. गंगोत्री के लिए इधर रोड है पीछे इसके. हाँ कल उठ जाओगे ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? कल उठ जाओगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? अगर जैसे तुमको जाना होगा ना 11 बजे, तो अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो तुम सो जाना, हम लोग निकल जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. चलो चलो फिर चलते हैं. मैं नहीं उठूँ, मेरे को पानी डाल देना भाई, बाल्टी वाल्टी ला के. कहना अबे उठ, शूट करने जाना है. तुम्हारी बाइक, तुम्हारा कैमरा, मैं उठा रहा हूँ. So much chaos in Rishikesh, man. People are just. I think I can. I don't know if. Okay, so they want to go. Let's fucking go, man. Oh my god. That was a huge bump. It was a rim damaging bump. This is my first vlog, so I don't know if my voice is even good or not. If the camera quality is good or not. I'm sure the camera quality will be good, but I didn't do much of the settings here. I've put the camera in auto mode. So I don't know how it's looking right now, but I suppose it should be looking good. Fingers crossed. Let's see, man, let's see. This is Rishikesh at night. Beautiful, isn't it? I know it is, I know it is. You can't say otherwise. It's just that the people have made this place hell. Like, literal hell. If you're staying in Tapovan in Rishikesh, bro, salute. I tried living here for a month and bro, I'm so done with this place. Not Rishikesh, Tapovan. I'm done with Tapovan. So much chaos. It's almost like Delhi, man. It's almost like Delhi. Like in Delhi, when you go out, there's just horn, people, Delhi, Haryana, Gaadi. Same air. With just a little change, and that is mountains. That's it. Everything apart from that is the same. And I hate it so much, man. I don't like chaos. I'm not saying I have any grudge against Delhi, Haryana people, but some drivers have made the image of all of the people of Delhi, Haryana bad. Like literally. I know people are good there. I've talked to many, I have many friends in Delhi and Haryana. But man, some people are just full of ego. I don't know for what reason. They are full of ego. Oh, there's a police checkpost. I don't know. Oh, I don't think so. They are checking something, but they must be doing something. Okay, this is done. It's पता नहीं क्यों रोक रखा है. इसमें लगता है रिकॉर्डिंग लिमिट है.
ऑफ हो गया.
हाँ, अभी जस्ट देखा. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले चल रहा था. जस्ट अभी ऑफ हुआ है.
लिमिट तो होगी.
हाँ, लिमिट चेक करनी पड़ेगी. ये इसलिए कर दिया है कि आगे जाते हैं जो लोग ना, तो आगे से इनके चेक पोस्ट से वो आता है वॉकी टॉकी पे कॉल कि अब आगे मत भेजो, आगे ट्रैफिक लगा हुआ है. तो इसलिए ये लोग यहाँ पे रोक देते हैं. ऐसा हम लोग बद्रीनाथ में जब गए थे तब हुआ था. तो बाइक वालों को जाने देते हैं, कार वालों को नहीं जाने देते हैं. तो वो जब ऊपर से कॉल आता है उनको कि अब रोक के रखो, अब पहले जो यहाँ पे गाड़ी है उसको निकलने तो फिर भेजना, तो वो रोक के रखते हैं. तो ऐसे ये ट्रैफिक मैनेज कर लेते हैं अच्छे से.
तो वैसे पकड़ हो जाएगी.
हाँ, वरना फिर जाम लग जाता है 3-3, 4-4, 5-5 घंटे का, फिर बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है। ओ भाई, इसके पीछे नहीं जाना है भाई। अबे ये है क्या रोड? ये रोड है? ओ मैन, दिस इज बैड। टुरु 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 टुरु।